Today I will show you how to find who unfollowed you on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch up your Instagram application and download this application called Follow Buddy. Now you're gonna install this application. You can find it on App Store or Android Store. And once you download it, you're gonna go through the prompts. And once you get to this path on Follow Buddy, you're gonna go back to Instagram, and you're gonna press the three hamburger at the top of your homepage. Once you click on this three hamburger, it's gonna load settings and activities, and in the search bar you're gonna search for export, and the first result you should get is export your information. You're gonna click on export your information. Now here, once it loads up, you're gonna choose create export. On the create export, you're going to click on the account that you want to export the information for. Once you click on the account, you're going to click on export to device. Under export to device, you're going to change a few information here. You're going to change the customizable information. You're going to clear everything you see here. The only thing you're going to toggle on is followers and following. So everything else is going to go off. And once you clear everything else, please do not forget to click on save. Now you're going to come to date range. You're going to click on all time. You're going to click on save. You're going to go to format. The format should be JSON. And you're going to click on save. The video quality, you can use medium or higher quality. And you're going to click on start export. This is what the requested page should look like. Now you're going to wait for Instagram to notify you that your information is ready. From Instagram, you're going to go to follow buddy. You're going to put in the handle of the Instagram account that you want to check for. And I just got a notification from Instagram that my information is ready. And we're going to go back to Instagram. We're going to press the three hamburgers again. And we're going to click on the search and then go back to export your information page. Now, once we have the export information page, you can see now we have download. We're going to click on download, and we're going to click on download here. I'm going to click on download here again, and it's going to be saved to our file. Click on download here. We can see it here. So we're going to go to follow buddy, and in follow buddy, we're going to come to this search button here, and you're going to upload the file. You're going to upload the file here, and you're going to click on find those nicks. Now you can see that it says 9 people don't follow me back, and it gives me the handle of 3 out of those 9 people, but it's asking me to subscribe before I can see the full page. Now that's how to find people who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.